Hey everyone, in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to change your HubSpot account password. If you've forgotten it or you just want a fresh one for security, this guide will take you through every step. Super simple. So first, go ahead and sign into your HubSpot account with your email and your current password. If you use Google Sign In, that works too. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right. You'll see your profile icon. Just click it. Yeah, this opens your main account menu. From that menu, choose Profile and Preferences. Then on the left sidebar, click the section labeled Security. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Now you'll see the option that says Change Password. Click that, and HubSpot will ask for your current password and the new one you want to set. Make sure the new one is strong, something that's not easy to guess. After you fill it out, just hit Save. HubSpot will confirm the change right away. If you're logged in on other devices, you might be asked to sign in again. Totally normal, and that's it. You've successfully updated your HubSpot password. Keep it somewhere safe, and yeah, feel free to run through this anytime you need a quick refresh. Thanks for watching.